area, and since my hair always turns yellow because it's blonde, I have to use toners quite a lot and purple shampoos quite a lot. So this is how it looks like before. Obviously you can tell it's yellow and it really needs to be toned if you like it ashy and white and icy just like I do. And since I've tried out a lot of purple shampoos, I found a new fave and I thought I'd share it with you guys just because I love it so much and I wanted you guys to know my little secret. So the one that I use right now that made my hair look like this is the Beachwaver Co. Be Right Back, or BRB Blonde, the shampoo and conditioner. And you guys can tell that my hair is white, it's ashy, and believe it or not, this is not toner, it's just shampoo and conditioner, which is pretty cool. This isn't sponsored and they did not send these to me. I bought them with my own money. But since I loved it so much, I did reach out to them and ask them if I could get a code for you guys if you guys want a little discount. And they said they could give me 10% off with the code MBeautyWave, which is pretty cool. If you guys want to use it. I just love this just because, first of all, my hair is white. Maybe a little more towards silver just because I left it on for a ton. But it always turns white with this, which I love. And I don't have to worry about it ever being grayish silver if you don't want that. This doesn't make your hair like that. And the next thing I love about it is that it doesn't stain your hair. So for me personally, even though I left it on for longer, it never stained, meaning I didn't have any patches of purple or blue anywhere on my hair. I usually have them with other shampoos. I just tend to put my shampoo on, and even if I'm rushing, I still always get like a stain here or here, and it annoys me because it's all white or like toward white and then a blue stain. And the fact that I actually use them both up all the way just says a lot, because I tried out a ton of purple shampoos and I always get to like half, but I never ever finish it just because usually they dry your hair out or I find a new one I like and I like to keep testing. But for me, the fact that I went through the whole thing and I actually want more says a lot. It also has hydroionic alpha bond multiplier. So this has a bond multiplier in the shampoo and conditioner, which is pretty cool because I only know of Olaplex that does that so far, like a bond treatment. This shampoo leaves my hair feeling moisturized and clean, and the conditioner, believe it or not, for the fact that it's purple, it actually makes your hair feel very, very soft. So I was really surprised when I used the conditioner because I just expected it to be slightly dry, also with the shampoo, and it wasn't. So I was kind of confused, like, shouldn't it be dry? But it wasn't. It also has Tahitian monoi flour and shea butter for moisture, so maybe that's why, but it really, really made my hair feel soft. Obviously, it's not like moisture shampoos and masks, those make your hair feel softer, but for the fact that it has purple shampoo, it left my hair pretty soft. And usually when I use purple shampoo, even if I go with my hair care routine afterward, I still feel it slightly dry, and with this, I did not feel like that at all. So I was really, really pleasantly surprised, and I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's that good, and you know, I like it. Sharing is caring, right? Okay. It also is paraben free, formaldehyde free, sulfate free, petrolatum free, benzophenone free. It's vegan, cruelty free, phthalate free, and it's also women owned, which is pretty cool. So I was really, really happy, you know, especially when I read the ingredients, and it's really good for your hair. As good as a purple shampoo can be, you know. This is good for everyday use because it's sulfate free. If you use shampoo quite regularly, like at least 3 times a week, you kind of want it to be sulfate free just because you don't want it to dry up your hair. But if you use it just once a week, like me, you can have it with sulfates in, just because sulfates are what cleans your hair like a detergent. It just really, really cleanses it, and after a week, you know, you need that cleanse, but this doesn't, so good for regular use. Also, just know that the shampoo is meant to be left on for 1 minute, and so is the conditioner, so just leave it on for a minute, rinse it off, leave it on for a minute, rinse it off, because that's how you get the most amount of white. So when I leave it on for 1 minute and just kind of shampoo it thoroughly, that's when I get pure white, you know. Obviously right now I did leave it on for a little bit longer and I did get it to be more ashy, but I always liked it to be white. This time I just forgot about, you know, rinsing it off quickly. And I have used both of these on for longer than 1 minute, and it's never overtoned to the point of gray, which I'm a fan of. Just because with other shampoos that are purple, if you leave it on for longer than 10 minutes, it makes your hair really, really gray or silver. And if you're going for that, awesome, but I personally am trying to get it as bright and clean and white as I can, so that's why I like it so much. It also smells really good. It smells like Brazilian berry. So yeah, this isn't an ad, it's just I like them so much, and if you guys want a purple shampoo that actually makes your hair feel nice, this is it. If you think a different purple shampoo would make your hair feel even better and look better, please let me know and comment them down below. I'm always trying new products and I would love to try that. And any other product recommendations, leave them down below because I will try them out.